If you've ever stood in front of a watch display and quietly asked yourself why a dive watch needs to cost more than a used car, you're not alone. Swiss luxury has its charm, no doubt, but the truth is, the market is absolutely flooded with capable, rugged, beautifully finished dive watches that won't drain your savings account. In this video, we're counting down 10 of the best affordable dive watches on the planet, each one proving that you don't need a Rolex Submariner budget to strap something serious to your wrist. From legendary Japanese movements to cult favorite Eastern European oddities, these watches cover every style, every budget, and every excuse you might have had for not owning a proper diver. Let's get into it. Number 10. Casio Duro MDV-106. Let's kick things off with a watch that has absolutely no business being this good for this price. The Casio Duro MDV-106 is the kind of watch that makes watch snobs uncomfortable because it quietly checks nearly every box a diver needs to check without asking much in return. It features a 200-meter water resistance rating, a screw-down crown, a unidirectional rotating bezel, and a mineral crystal glass that holds up better than you'd expect. The dial is clean and legible, with bold indices and solid lume application that actually works in low-light conditions. The stainless steel case sits at a comfortable 44mm, wearing chunky but not ridiculous on most wrists. The integrated bracelet is one of its few weak points. It feels a touch plasticky, and the clasp isn't the most premium, but for the price, it's more than acceptable. What really seals the deal is the Casio reliability factor. This thing will run and run without complaint, and servicing costs are basically non-existent. It's been called the poor man's Submariner more times than anyone can count, and while that framing undersells it, the comparison isn't entirely wrong either. If you want a no-nonsense, get-in-the-water diver for almost nothing, the MDV-106 is where you start. Number 9. Invicta Pro Diver 8926 OB. Say what you will about Invicta as a brand, and watch enthusiasts say plenty, but the Pro Diver 8926 OB is genuinely difficult to argue against at its price point. This watch draws heavy visual inspiration from the Rolex Submariner, and it doesn't try to hide it. The sunburst blue or black dial, the gold-toned hands and indices, the smooth bezel and solid oyster-style bracelet all combine to give it a look that punches well above its retail tag. Under the caseback sits an NH35A automatic movement, which is actually a Seiko manufactured caliber licensed through Miyota, making it one of the more trustworthy movements you'll find in this price range. It hacks, it handwinds, and it keeps time within acceptable tolerances for daily wear. Water resistance sits at 200 meters, the crown screws down properly, and the overall build quality feels solid in hand. The bracelet has a bit of slop in the links, and the finishing is brushed rather than mixed, which gives away the price. But these are cosmetic gripes. If you want the Submariner silhouette without committing to 4 or 5 figures, the Invicta Pro Diver delivers the aesthetic with a movement you can actually trust. Just don't wear it to a watch meetup and expect everyone to play nice. Number 8. Vostok Amphibia. Nothing on this list is quite like the Vostok Amphibia, and that's exactly the point. Born in the Soviet Union and still produced in Russia at the Vostok factory in Chistopol, the Amphibia is one of the most genuinely unique watches in the world of affordable divers. Its defining feature is an ingenious case design, where increased water pressure actually helps seal the crystal more tightly against the case, meaning the watch performs better the deeper you go. It's rated to 200 meters and has been proven well beyond that in real-world tests. The movement inside is an in-house Russian caliber, slow beat but surprisingly reliable, and the case itself is shaped in a way you won't find anywhere else. Somewhere between retro, utilitarian, and quietly eccentric. It comes in dozens of dial variants, from the classic porthole scuba style to the more traditional Komandirsky adjacent designs, giving it serious collector appeal at remarkably low cost. The finishing is not refined by any stretch. This is a tool watch built like a tool, not a jewel. The lume is minimal, the bracelet is serviceable but basic, and the crown doesn't screw down on most variants. But none of that matters when you're wearing something this characterful and historically interesting for roughly the cost of a nice dinner out. Number 7. Citizen Promaster Diver BN150028E. The Citizen Promaster BN150028E is the kind of watch a professional would actually wear. And that's not an exaggeration. Built around Citizen's own EcoDrive technology, this watch runs entirely on light, any light, and converts it to energy stored in a capacitor that can power the watch for months in complete darkness after a full charge. That alone removes one of the biggest practical concerns around watch ownership: battery changes. But the BN1150 goes further than just being solar. It carries a genuine 200-meter water resistance rating, a screw-down crown, a unidirectional bezel with a solid grip, and a dial that is among the most legible at this price. Wide applied indices, thick hands, and lume that coats generously. The case is a touch large at 44 mm, but sits relatively flat on the wrist due to the slim movement profile. The rubber strap it ships on is comfortable for active wear, and the clasp is a proper dive-style buckle with extension links for wearing over a wetsuit. Citizen's quality control is legendary, and it shows here. Tolerances are tight, finishing is clean, and the crown screws home with confidence. If you want a modern, practical, zero-battery drama diver that looks sharp in and... Number 6. Orient Mako II. Orient doesn't get talked about loudly enough, and the Mako II is proof of why that needs to change. This Japanese diver features a fully in-house automatic movement, the Orient Caliber F6922, which is a significant achievement at this price tier. Most competitors in the same bracket rely on outsourced movements, but Orient designs, manufactures, and regulates their own, giving them end-to-end quality control that shows in the final product. The Mako II offers 200 meters of water resistance, a screw-down crown, a unidirectional bezel with a coin-edge grip, and a dial with a wave-textured finish that catches light in a particularly attractive way. The case measures 41.5 mm on the more wearable end of the dive watch spectrum, and the bracelet is genuinely one of the better integrated options in this price range, with solid links and a double-push deployant clasp. The movement hacks and hand winds, and while it runs a touch fast out of the box for some wearers, it's fully user-adjustable with basic tools. Legibility is strong, lume coverage is adequate, and the overall aesthetic sits in that comfortable zone between sporty and versatile. You can wear this to the beach or to a casual dinner without looking out of place. The Orient Mako II is a fundamentally honest watch, and honest watches at this price are rare. Number 5. Phoibos Wavemaster. PY0YN10. The Phoibos Wavemaster is the sleeper hit on this list. A watch that most people outside dedicated watch communities haven't heard of, but one that routinely earns a double take when enthusiasts get it in hand. Phoibos is a Hong Kong-based brand that has quietly been producing solid tool watches for years, and the Wavemaster represents their dive offering done properly. It runs on the Seiko NH35A automatic movement, the same caliber found in far more expensive watches, which means it hacks, hand winds, and keeps reasonable time with no complaints. The case is 44 mm in brushed and polished stainless steel with a solid screw-down crown and 300-meter water resistance, notably deeper than most competitors at this level. The bezel click is satisfying and precise, the dial printing is clean, and the sapphire crystal is an extraordinary inclusion at this price point, offering scratch resistance you simply don't expect until you spend significantly more. The bracelet is well finished with tight tolerances and a diver extension clasp. Where Phoibos truly shines is in the value-to-spec ratio. Sapphire crystal, NH35 movement, 300 mm water resistance, and solid finishing in one package at a price that makes you question everything you thought you knew about what a watch needs to cost. Number 4. Seiko Prospex Turtle. The Seiko Prospex Turtle is one of the most beloved dive watches in the entire affordable segment, and it has earned that reputation completely on merit. Named for its distinctively cushion-shaped case, wide, rounded, and impossibly comfortable on the wrist, the Turtle is a direct descendant of Seiko's famous 6309 from the 1970s, a watch with serious dive heritage. Modern versions run on the 4R36 automatic movement, which hacks and hand winds, and the whole package carries a 200-meter water resistance rating with all the proper credentials: screw-down crown, unidirectional bezel, and a dial built for real-world legibility. The Turtle is a chunky watch at 45 mm, but wears surprisingly well due to its short lug-to-lug distance and curved lugs that follow the wrist. It comes in a range of dial colors, the black and blue Pepsi variants being particular fan favorites, And the lume application is some of the best at this price, with large, generously coated plots that glow hard in the dark. The bracelet is solid and pairs with a diver extension clasp. What makes the turtle special isn't just the spec sheet. It's the combination of a thoughtful design with genuine lineage, solid finesse. Number 3. Orient Kamasu. If the Mako II is Orient's workhorse, the Kamasu is their statement piece. A diver that doesn't just get the job done, but looks genuinely sharp doing it. Released as a more refined entry in Orient's dive lineup, the Kamasu features a 200-meter water resistance rating, a screw-down crown, and the same in-house F6922 automatic caliber found in the Mako II, but wraps it in a more polished, design-forward package. The case features strong beveled lugs with a mix of brushed and polished surfaces that create visual depth far above the watch's price point. The dial is where the Kamasu truly shines. A deeply colored sunburst finish, available in green, blue, black, and red variants, that shifts and shimmers under changing light in a way that looks genuinely expensive. The bezel insert is ceramic on certain variants, and the overall finish quality is noticeably tighter than what you'd expect for the asking price. The bracelet is well-proportioned with a solid deployant clasp, and legibility is strong across all dial variants. The Kamasu occupies a sweet spot where specs, design, and finishing all align at once, which is rarer than it sounds in this category. For someone who wants a diver that's equally at home on a dive boat and at a nice dinner, this is the one. Number 2. Citizen Promaster NY0040. The Citizen Promaster NY0040 earns its place near the top of this list by being, in almost every measurable way, a complete dive watch. It runs on Citizen's own 8203 automatic caliber, fully in-house, not sourced from a third party, and that movement represents a genuine commitment to manufacture that you respect more the longer you spend in the watch world. The case is a robust 41mm, sitting in the ideal range for wrist versatility, and it carries an impressive 200-meter water resistance with a proper screw-down crown and unidirectional bezel. The dial is deeply legible with applied indices and large, well-loomed hands, and the overall aesthetic is clean without being generic. It has visual weight and presence without shouting for attention. The bracelet is a strong point, solid links, well finished, with a proper fold-over clasp and dive extension. Citizen's quality control is among the best in the business at this tier, and the NY040 benefits from that. Tolerances are tight, finishing is consistent, and the whole package feels cohesive rather than assembled from parts. What pushes it to number 2 is the rare combination of in-house movement, excellent build quality, clean design, and a price that makes the proposition almost unfair. This is a watch that exists in a category where it arguably shouldn't be this good. Number 1. Seiko Prospex. Samurai. At the top of this list sits the Seiko Prospex Samurai, and if you've spent any time researching affordable dive watches, you've almost certainly encountered it. The Samurai takes its nickname from the angular, sharply cut case design that gives it an immediately recognizable profile unlike anything else in the affordable dive space. Where most divers at this price level lean into the round, submariner-adjacent silhouette, the Samurai cuts its own path with angled lugs, a bold crown guard, and a distinctly Japanese aesthetic that feels modern and purposeful. It runs on the 4R35 automatic movement, hacking, hand-winding, and reliable, with 200 meters of water resistance, a screw-down crown, and one of the better unidirectional bezels in this segment. The dial is where the magic really lives. Rich, deeply colored sunburst finishes in blue, black, or teal that shift beautifully under light, paired with bold, lume-filled hands and indices that perform exceptionally in the dark. The bracelet is solid and sits comfortably on the wrist with a good clasp and diver extension. What earns the Samurai the number 1 spot isn't just any single feature. It's the full package, great design with genuine personality, a trustworthy movement, solid build quality, superb legibility, and a price that makes every Swiss alternative suddenly very hard to justify. This is the affordable diver that does everything right and does it with style. And there you have it, 10 dive watches that prove you don't need to spend Swiss money to own something genuinely impressive. Whether you're a first-time buyer trying to figure out where to start, or a seasoned collector looking to add an affordable daily wearer to the rotation, every single watch on this list deserves serious consideration. The watch industry has never been more competitive at the lower end of the market, And the real winners are the people buying watches. Drop a comment below telling us which one is your favorite, or let us know if there's a hidden gem we missed. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. There's a lot more coming. Until next time, keep it on your wrist.